Hello, I'm Mike.
I'm Melba.
Hello.
Hello.
Start over again.
You totally messed up that time.
Hello, I'm Mike.
I'm Melba
And we're the Cometses.
from Road.
All right, start over. Hello, I'm Mike.
I'm Melba
And we're the Cometses.
at Road Maps and Chaos.
Be sure to like and subscribe if you like our videos.
Thank you.
If you like my Papa's channel, Road Maps and Chaos, make sure to like and smash that subscribe button.
Hey, we at the sewing capital of the world, Joann's again. Baby doll can't hardly go by. I asked her, do you need something from Joann's? And she thought about it till she figured out something she needed. So we here at Joann's.
Give me my card.
Give you what?
Give you credit card.
Where's my billfold?
I don't know.
It's laying back here somewhere.
Here we are going over this bridge. What's the name of this
Cinco
one?
Bow.
Cinco Bow Bridge. I'm fixing to show you the water with the wind in it. Boy, it's got.
Hey, we got the fishing.
See there? Yep. Got a guy fishing. Pretty, ain't it? There you go.
All right. We coming down through Fort Walton Beach, Old Town. Joe and Eddie's restaurant used to be somewhere right along in here. I think it burnt, if I remember correctly. I'm not sure, but it ain't no longer there. It's on down there a little while. See that movie theater right across there? That's the second time I ever went to a movie theater, right there. Me and Baby Doll come off down here, slipped off down here and went to the movie and was sinning. I can't remember the name of the show that we wanted to see, but we come down here and seen a movie. When I got home, Daddy already knew I'd been to the movie. Somebody had seen me and told on me.
Said we went to the drive-in.
Said we went to the drive-in, but I told him, "No, Daddy, we didn't go to the drive-in. We did go to the movie." And he said, "Somebody seen me going in the drive-in." I said, "No, we did go to the movie. We went to Fort Walton to see the movie down there." And I told him what was the name of the movie we went to see. I said, "We didn't go to the drive-in." But, yeah, I got in trouble for sinning.
Here we go.
Now, this was the main drag in Fort Walton Beach back in the 50s and early 60s. This was the tourist trap right here. Right down through here to Brooks Bridge. Brooks Bridge was a 2-lane bridge back in those days. I think it was a wood bridge. This was the tourist trap right down through here.
We're fixing to go over Brooks Bridge.
This is the first bridge that I come under when I was on a towboat. And I'd been on the towboat about 7-8 hours, and I actually steered the towboat under this bridge with about 6 hours experience. There wasn't nothing to it. I was a boatman anyway. I'd been raised on a boat. Well, Uncle Sam was sitting right there.
That's what we call Oakless Island.
Oakless Island over there. Now, there was a few cottages out here. There wasn't none of these condos back in the day. None of this stuff. There was a few cottages right here. Then after you left right along in here, it just turned into desolate beach. There were just beaches out here. Sand dunes and a few pine trees, a bunch of palmetto palms. There wasn't no palm trees out here. All these palm trees have been imported. Them palmetto bushes was out here. And all this turned to, right here past the Guffarium, there wasn't nothing left after you passed the Guffarium. It was out here by itself. All this stuff has been added. This Guffarium was built in 1954. That's how long it's been around. Baby, what'd you say about it when you come out here when?
Oh, let's see. I was born in 51 and I was 57.
57, 58, she come out here. She said it was fairly new when she come out here then. That Guffarium was the only thing here. The rest of it was just beaches. I'll show you a little bit what it looked like in a few minutes. Well, there used to be sand dunes, real sand dunes out here. Back in the day, in the 60s, people would cut down cars, cut the doors off of them, and weld a couple of rims together, cut the middle on the outside one out, and make them some dualies, or balloon tires. Come out here and we'd ride the dunes. You ever been dune riding?
Oh yeah, with a preacher.
With a what?
With a preacher.
Y'all have fun?
Yeah.
Yep, come dune riding. Take a shot of that right out there, baby. Out the window. That's what it looked like back in the day when I was a boy. Just that right there.
This is what...
Take a picture of the side. We're going to the Gulf Island National Seashore right now.
This is what divides Fort Walton and
Destin.
Fort
Walton and Destin right here.
Where are you going?
Out here to the seashore.
Okay.
Show them what the bayside looks like. It looks like it's open.
That's where we go.
Huh? Let's let this one get by and then we'll slip on out here and see what we can see.
Gulf Island National
Seashore.
Seashore.
Department of the Interior.
Y'all, that's not my filming, it's his bumping.
I ain't bumping.
You are too.
Look at them people right out there windsurfing. Right out there, they're gonna be windsurfing here in a few minutes. This is a fee use area, but I don't think I have to pay because I got that national card.
Yep, we don't.
Look at them out there. Look like they're in the water. Them crazy folks. But right there's what the beach looked like. See that little trail where the people going down right there? That's the trail out to the beach.
Excuse me.
Hey, lady got a bed in that bed, and she's car camping. We at the Gulf Island National Seashore. Right there, they got an outdoor shower. It's a little cool to be taking an outdoor shower today. You got bathrooms and everything right there. Reckon I can turn around on down here. Unguarded swim area. They got a beach on down here somewhere. Surely I can turn around down here somewhere. Boat launch. Yeah, I can turn around. They got a boat. This is a boat launch down here. Picnic area. Sand washed up over this. I would clear this out where you can launch the boats here. Down the water. See a sailboat way off out yonder. He's way out yonder. They just come across over there in Shalimar. Across over there. I think their bow was right around over yonder when they come through. This bridge is right on down there. They head right yonder toward Shalimar. Take a left, that'd take you to Cinco Bow. We just run around the island. We gonna go on down yonder and cross this bridge right on down yonder. That's the seashore. We're sitting at the seashore. This is sort of what it looked like back in the day. Sea oaks, palmetto palms, sand pines, what we call sand pines. They never got very big. This was the beach. No condos, none of that kind of stuff. You go out here for miles. We fished up down these here waters for miles. Not see houses. You see a cottage every once in a while. They had a few cottages over here at Destin back in the day. But this is what the beach looked like back in my day right here. An old sand pine like that. What you'd see. This kind of stuff right here. You could gaze down the beach and that's what it looked like right there. No condos. No condos. See little old pine thickets all over the place like that. A few old scrawny pines look like that right there. Them old pines. We at the beach. We're at the Gulf Island National Seashore. This part of the seashore right here. We're kicking right along with it. Everyone's sitting up in there. Pack it in, pack it out. Hear that everywhere you go. Good shot of Destin off out yonder in the distance. Good shot of Destin.
I'm glad I made this journey with you.
If you like my Papa's channel, Road Maps and Chaos, make sure to like and smash that subscribe button.
We pray we'll see you in the rapture.